Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is the beautiful Disney Wonder. We are here out of San Diego, and I would like to show you Walter E. Disney Suite. It has been reimagined, it's stunning, it's magical, and you need to book this for your family because I know that we're going to be so very comfortable here, and you will too. So let's go, let's take a tour, and for your next Disney cruise, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing like this royal suite. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. It would be my pleasure to serve your family. Now let's go look at the Walter E. Disney Suite. It's just absolutely magical. Let's go. Here is the Walter E. Disney Suite here on the Disney cruise ship. It is absolutely amazing. It is gorgeous. I'm going to give you a sweep around, and then I'm going to show you every detail. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's been reimagined. Love the light colors, love the sitting room. Just absolutely spectacular. So here's your dining room. So you may have Palo delivered to your stateroom in the Royal Suite. Love this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then let's go back into the main living room area. So you do have 2 chairs, you have a sofa. Oh, look at the theming here. So gorgeous. Love that. And with a push of a button, your TV goes up and down. Gorgeous. There's Walt. Now we're coming in here, and this is gorgeous. Now this is a bed, a wall pull-out bed that's going to come down, and then you also have the doors that shut this way and this way for privacy. And it's Mickey. Love that. And then if I come around this way, we've got a flat screen TV for this guest. Love that. And then you also have drapes, and you've got the pool door here for the bedroom. Oh, just absolutely outstanding. Love this. Art Deco all the way. And then we have room under the bed where you can put your luggage. Another flat screen TV, chest of drawers, and then there is an area where you can get ready. Love that. So gorgeous. Just outstanding. Now, if I turn around here, we are also going to have a beautiful closet area, chest of drawers. There you have your safe, you have your concierge laundry, and then you have your beautiful concierge robe that I love, and your concierge slippers, and don't let me forget your little sachet. Love that so much. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to come in this way so you can see the bathroom. Okay, are y'all ready? This is outstanding master bath. Check it out. Oh my goodness. It is large, it is luxurious, it is reimagined, Art Deco all the way. Absolutely fantastic. Here's your large tub. Love that. And yes, we do have the soap loofahs and the Bulgari soap products here. So yes, that's what I'm seeing here instead of the sponges. So just keep that in mind. I love those though. They're amazing. Okay, now everything you could want here, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now let's go. Oh, and let me show you the shower. Okay, so it's going to be a lovely shower, huge shower, and then it's also going to have a rain shower and a handheld here. All right, this is a 2-bedroom. Let me go in and show you the other. Well, you know what? While I'm here, let's look at this. So this is your kitchen area here in the Royal Suite. It is absolutely amazing. So you've got your refrigerator here fully stocked. Love that. Your Mickey bars. Mickey bars are in the bottom. You have an espresso machine. You have all of your pods here, which are great. You have a tea kettle, very nice crystal glasses, and you have, I love these. We had these when we were on Christmas. Love the frozen water, themed water. Now you do have a wine cooler. Now this wine cooler is going to be stocked routinely. You never have to purchase wine and champagne here. It just gets automatically stocked by our concierge host. Now, you do not want to miss a thing when you sell concierge on Disney Cruise Line. So book your cruise with Melissa VIP Magic, because I have all the tips and expertise that you need at no additional cost to you. Let's keep going. We also have china here. Now these are real china glasses, espresso glasses, real silverware. You never have to worry about a thing here in concierge in the royal suite. So let's move into the extra bedroom and then we will be done. So this is your suite that will have your 2 beds here. How lovely is this? And then also you have an upper berth that's going to come down here, and you're going to have an upper berth that comes down here. So essentially this bedroom can sleep up to 4 guests. How lovely is that? And you can put your luggage underneath. Here's a beautiful desk area. You've got a phone, you've got beautiful lighting. It's all been redone. The chandelier is gorgeous. We have a flat screen TV and chest of drawers here as well. Now we've got Walt, which I love, all over. Love that so much. And here is your closet. Check it out. Beautiful robes, beautiful slippers, and you've got chest of drawers here. Love that. And then let's go here into the bathroom. So it is also very lovely. It is redone. I love the colors. I love the theming. I love the, check this out. This is absolutely gorgeous. So large bathtub here. And then you also have the handheld shower and the Bulgari products. So nice. I love the hardware that Disney chose. Those are really nice. Love that so much. Okay, I know I say love a lot, but I just can't help it. This is just so exciting. Love Disney Cruise Line. Okay, let's come on out and come through the second bedroom and into the main living room. Here it is, absolutely stunning. And then if we walk out, this is the way you head out to the front door area. And then I showed you that you have your kitchenette to the left and then your master to the right. Just gorgeous. I want to show you this stunning veranda. It pans all the way over to the other side. We have 2 beautiful chairs and a table. Just outstanding. Now, if you need extra space, we can book the room next to you for larger families, and that partition will open, which is nice. We're here in San Diego. Check it out. Look at these floor-to-ceiling windows, too. They're absolutely outstanding. Well done. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. It would be my pleasure to assist your family. Now, did you find out about Melissa VIP Magic after you booked your cruise? No problem at all. If you book directly with Disney Cruise Line and you have made your deposit within 30 days, contact me today. I can transfer your royal suite under my care and take care of everything for you at no additional cost to you. Contact me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. And we've just started a Disney Cruise Line Facebook page. Come visit us and talk Disney Cruise Line concierge all day long. You can find us on Facebook at Disney Cruise Line Concierge VIP Insiders. I give all the expertise, tips, and tricks, and so many of you have come to join us and chat. I love meeting new guests, and I hope to assist your family soon. Bye.